If you've never bought a stock before, and the Wealthsimple app feels a bit confusing, this video will walk you through it step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to buy your first stock with confidence. First, open the Wealthsimple app and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can see your accounts and total balance. Before buying anything, make sure you actually have money in your account. If you don't, tap into the account you want to use, like your TFSA or personal account, and look for the Add Money button. Tap that, choose how much you want to deposit, and confirm. Depending on your bank, the funds may be available instantly or take some time to settle. Once your money is ready, go to the search icon at the bottom of the screen. In this example, we're going to use VFV. Type in VFV and tap on it when it appears. You'll now see the stock page with the price chart and basic details. Take a moment here to make sure you selected the correct one. Next, tap the Trade button. You'll see two options: Buy and Sell. Tap Buy. Now you'll choose your order type. By default, it's set to a market order. This means you're buying at the current available price. For beginners, this is the simplest option. Enter the amount you want to invest. You don't need to buy a full share. Wealthsimple allows fractional buying, so you can start with a small amount. After entering your amount, tap Review. This step is important. Double-check the ticker, the amount, and the account you're using. If everything looks good, go ahead and confirm the order. And just like that, you've bought your first stock. One quick tip: don't stress if the price moves right after you buy. That's completely normal. Prices change constantly, so focus on the bigger picture instead of short-term movement. Also, avoid buying something just because you saw it online. Even a basic understanding of what you're investing in can make a big difference over time. If this helped you, subscribe for more simple, straight-to-the-point guides.